It's Egypt. In the late 2009, a group of strong, talented designers, managed by young, ambitious professionals, started working in a project that derived from the dream of seeing Egypt the leader of one of the yet untouched fields of technology, geographical information systems. It's Egypt is the first to introduce and use geographical information systems for Egypt and willing to export their provided services to the whole Middle East. Using state-of-the-art technology of mapping, It's Egypt will design, build, test, and daily update large-scale, visually stunning three-dimensional city models and maps of all areas around Egypt, published according to its work plan. It will hence present new, highly powerful, interactive, and customized e-solutions to the Egyptian market. Its Egypt main goal is to establish the next generation mapping tools using geographical information systems. 3D maps already completed around some Egyptian governorates and ready to be published. In Helwan Governorate, Maadi, Zahra and Maadi, New Cairo, the fifth settlement to Al Rihab city. In 6th of October, Industrial Zone, Residential Zone, and Smart Village. In Cairo, Downtown, Mohandesin, Doki, Heliopolis, and Zamalek. Some maps are being in progress and expected to be completed by the end of 2010. These include rest of Cairo areas, North Coast, and Sharm el-Sheikh. We plan that with the support and cooperation with ITIDA, we will be able to provide 3D maps for other countries in the Middle East. We provide value-added services that depend on our virtual 3D maps, and it will include website, mobile application, GPS application, maps printing, It's Egypt magazine, CD applications, and integrated database. Our 3D maps should be accessible through our website, which is planned to contain a search engine by category or brand. The integrated database will allow searching for a place, company, or a street easily. Search engine marketing, or SEM, implementing search engine optimization. These services are built around companies' search marketing needs. Enabling pay-per-click advertising, that is considered a flexible way of managing advertising for companies and businesses. Chat on each building. A separate web page should be available for each building, which allow users to discuss issues related to this building online, such as real estate or general inquiries. Room chat. Users will be allowed to create chat rooms to discuss a special event or issue on a certain place. Map videos are the easiest out-of-the-box way to guide visitors to a certain place through a virtual tour to their destination and will be available online and specially customized for companies. The streaming radio on the website will announce advertisements or news related to the area being visited, such as announcing electricity or water cutoffs in a certain place. Voting and surveying. Elections voting, with cooperation with the government, or voting on a special area issue shall be available online, as well as the possibility of putting out a survey among certain area residents. Photos of places should be allowed for registered users to add their photos of places or buildings and their inputs. The website allows discussions on certain buildings put to sell or rent on the map only by clicking on it for more view and more info. Many advertising techniques, heard and seen, will hence be available from the website. The possibility to have full details and information about a visited area on the 3D map from the website will connect people together and saves time and effort when searching for a place or a service. Each area information could be seen as well on a large 3D map put on a billboard at the entrance of each neighborhood. It can introduce each area inside Egypt for visitors from around the world in a user-friendly way and civilized modern techniques. The matter that encourages tourism the best and spreads red carpets for visitors even before they come. Sponsoring ship for certain products shown on the website will contribute to the overall look of the website and connects markets. We provide more value-added services, include mobile applications, all kind of mobile applications tested to include the desired 3D map access, GPS application. GPS has long been considered a technology that complements GIS operations. The integration of GPS technology into GIS activities can be achieved through a variety of means. One of them is using the 3D maps. High-quality folded map will be available in a printed 3D embossed form upon request. With the launch of each new area map, a printed map will be distributed. It's Egypt magazine will be a monthly distributed magazine that holds the updated information on places, events, real estate, advertising, community, and articles about each area. Updates to the online 3D maps will be available on CDs for users to update their versions manually via CD and installation when needed. The used database of companies, stores, offices located in each area will be integrated and connected between different area maps and as well updated accordingly. The benefits of our services is unlimited. Our developed three-dimensional maps will create a revolution in mostly all fields and sectors of the community. It's Egypt Revolutionary Maps help cities model their urban environments in full 3D. It leverages our used 3D tools to build complex 3D models of existing or proposed buildings. Sharing 3D maps benefits local governments in many ways. Providing visual information for future planning, such as land use, zoning, redevelopment, or historic preservation. Fostering economic development through encouraging organizations worldwide to invest in Egypt. Better and more civilized decisions could be taken regarding dividing certain areas to industrial or residential. Possibility of getting statistical data from the inputs of the users regarding buildings and businesses places. Using the technology, government and developers can ask to see a special town built and lived in before they start their projects, the matter that will give them the advantage of whether to continue, remodel, or change the location. Boosting tourism through the online interactive 3D tourist guide map that allows visitors to plan their trips and full view their destination before they arrive. Help simplifying road navigation and traffic analysis. Hold maintenance information such as road repair condition. Zoning information and survey data are other possible uses. Enhancing facilities management for planners of new electricity setup, phone lines, water stations, and such infrastructure. The decision makers will have an easy tool to assist them in navigation and planning. Supporting security and crime prevention for police stations, zoning areas for special reasons, tracking and monitor sections, roads, will be easy from the 3D map accessed from the police station and operations points. Facilitating emergency management. Fire engines or ambulance routes in emergencies could easily be decided upon with one look at the 3D area map. Companies and organizations can use the new marketing tool of the 3D map video to guide visitors more easily. Real estate agents can showcase properties in 3D platform with key points highlighted, what makes that property more desirable. providing sponsorship privileges for larger corporations, advertising small companies and shops on the website map with techniques that derives more customers to the business and promotes comebacks. New techniques for travel agencies to help and attract tourists, advertising and guides within the internet, GPS devices and mobile devices, all as well as the updated printed map. Million internet users will turn to our website and software to better understand and navigate their neighborhood or city. Using our tool to observe their community, access all area information from one place, and also to consider a real estate investment or to plan a travel itinerary. Simply, the benefits are unlimited.